This is the world-renowned Harvey Cleveland, which is the one that test flew my airplane. He's got to take off and go help some guys over at Green Valley Airport. Harvey's flown in movies. If you've seen Amelia, the airplane that he flew in Amelia is here, which I did a video on that before. But anyway, I came out today to do some bird blocking, I guess I'll put it that way. Blocking some birds to get in my hangar. But I brought the van out. I was going to stand on top of it, plus have a ladder on top of there like I did for this other stuff up here. When I put that up, but that hole there has got a screen on it, but they put a hole through that so they can get through. So that's what I'm going to block off, and then on up there between the rafters like I did there, I'll block that off there too. And maybe I can get rid of some more birds. So anyway, it was good to see Harvey today. He has to get back here, and then I don't know if he's driving or what, but he's got to fly over to, or get over to Noah's Ark Airport, because he's got a bunch of parachuters scheduled to jump out of a perfectly good airplane, which doesn't make any sense. But anyways, I'll get off here before I make too long a video. We wouldn't want that. So there you go, and may God bless you.